right, let's take a look at this one. Here's one of our later model sports cars we just got in. 2017 Porsche Cayman 718. Now, if you're familiar at all with the Cayman, this was actually third gen. It was redesigned in 2017. As you can see, this one's in Guards Red, black leather interior. And the 718 insignia came from, I believe, older Porsche history. The previous car had a 6-cylinder in it. This one now has a dual overhead cam flat 4-cylinder engine in it, which is a turbocharged variety. Nice engine for the car. It does move this car along well. It's a well-balanced engine. We'll kind of get into that in just a little bit here as I move along around to the back of the car. This particular car, as far as the history on it, one owner came to us in trade. Gentleman wanted to trade it in on a GTX we had that was a frame off, just absolutely beautiful restoration. So he traded in on that. We ended up with this car under 2,000 miles. We can look at the exact miles when I get around to the driver's side. We'll open it up, check out the interior. Front and rear parking alerts. That's what you can see. A little circle down the front bumpers. As you can see, it is not full of road rash, rock chips, anything like that. This is what you'd expect out of one owner, well taken care of, nice Porsche with low miles on it. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures, feel free to check those out. UniqueClassicCars.com, or down below this video in the description, click on that link. It's going to take you there. We can also be reached at 507-386-1726. Again, clean Carfax, no accidents indicated. Tires are good. The rubber's good on it. It's not full of dings, nicks, scratches. Like I said, very well taken car, and it shows. Now, as far as the engine in this, the engine is actually located between the rear axle and the back of the rear seats. So what that does is it gives this car great balance, nice agility, great handling, fun to drive car. You want to go through some corners, you want to have a little fun on a track. Very nice car to do that. Not a big high horsepower vroom car. No, it's a nice car, great agility. It's streetable. It drives out very well. Has gotten a lot of good reviews. 4-cylinder engine in it. Does sound aggressive. It's a nice sounding car. As you can see, you got the center exhaust coming out the rear. We're going to fire it up a little bit. You'll be able to hear it. It definitely has that import sound, and it also, you know, that European sports car sound. Now, check out the still pictures so you can see the interior, the undersides. Check out the still pictures at UniqueClassicCars.com. Like I said, down below this video in the description, click on the link. That's going to take you right there. We also do consider trades, obviously, by trading this one in. We will trade again. Financing is available, and of course, we can assist you with getting this beauty to where you're located at. Transmission in this car, paired with that turbocharged engine, is actually a 7-speed dual clutch transmission with manual shift mode. Again, very nice for the track with that manual shift mode, or leave it in the automatic. Pay attention to your driving, braking, and gassing. And we have a little fun going around some curves with this one, no doubt about that, with how the engine is laid out and how the car is balanced. Again, you can see how nice the paint is all the way around. The rubber's good, the wheels are nice, there's no road rash. Take a look at the still pictures. You're going to come up with the same thing I am, and it's a well taken care of one owner car with a clean Carfax, just like I stated before. Let's go ahead and check out this interior. We'll fire it up so you can hear it. I'll go over a few things. With this, it's got the majority of what you'd expect, obviously. The memory seats, power windows, you got your power mirrors, both sides. Heated and cooled seats in this one. It does have a navigation system to it. You can see there's center column shift. Has a sport mode. Has the power wing in the back. It does have a traction control you turn on and off. And then there's an auto start and stop mode, I believe it is. Again, I'm not a Porsche expert. Just did a little bit of digging on them to kind of peek this car over a little bit before I did the video. People that are serious buyers of this car have done a lot more research than I have. I just want to present this car so you make your own opinion of it. So let's go ahead and fire this up. As you can see, key to these is on the left side. I have the key fob already in the cup holder there. So I'm going to squeeze in this and let's check it out. There's your miles, 1,373. Now you can kind of change it almost like a driver's information center right there where you see the boost PSI, basically on the vital components of the engine and car right now. As you can see, the center of the cluster has a large tack. So if you are driving any sort of curves, tracks, having a little fun, aggressive driving, there's a tack right in front of you, miles per hour down below. Like I said a little bit earlier, obviously the vital components over on the side, and you can change that information screen that is on the right. Slip over here to your nav screen, your media screen. Kind of cool. Watch as my hand comes up close to it. It's going to sense my hand, and then it will pop up my choices of what I would want to possibly push as far as buttons go. So my hand goes up, there it is. So, and as my hand goes away and I leave it back, it will go back off, and you can use the whole screen that way. Now, like I said, that'd be for your media, phone, map, nav, all that good stuff. You also have heated and cooled seat controls down here, dual climate control. Manual shifting is on the steering wheel here. Upshift on that side, downshift on that side. Otherwise, we'll drive as a regular automatic. And I hit these a little bit earlier here with the sport mode, that power adjustable wing, traction control, and start-stop mode. So there you kind of have it in a nutshell. Like I said, there's a lot of equipment on this. Also has a Bose stereo system to it. And there is a list of options. We'll take a picture of that and have that with the pictures of this car, so you can kind of go down through it. If you have any questions, I'll go through the number a little bit later. All right. Slip out to the back here. Like I said, nice, a little aggressive sound to this, especially when you're under throttle. Great sounding car. It's got that European sports car sound to it. And remember, where that engine where it is located at, this car is nimble, handles very lightly. Fun car, great car to drive. So there you kind of have it in a nutshell. Again, 2017 Porsche Cayman 718, one owner car. Now please feel free to give us a call, 507-386-1726. Now down below this video, there's a link, click on it, uniqueclassiccars.com. We do consider trades, financing is available, and of course we can assist you with getting this beautiful car to where you're located at. Look forward to hearing from you on this one.